want to talk about, let's move on to retirement accounts. So we have 401ks, IRAs, other types of retirement accounts. Hopefully we all have these at this point.
Right.
My understanding is that generally speaking, these do get somewhat favorable treatment under the Medicaid asset counting rules. But these are also sort of unique assets because it's sort of, we think of it as a stock account, but it also spins off income because we have these required minimum distributions we need to take after we reach a certain age. And I was hoping you could talk a little bit about how these assets are treated, what happens if I don't take the RMD, and sort of what are the nuances of this area.
Yeah, absolutely. Because oftentimes it's the largest asset other than the house. It's, they've accumulated money over the course of their working life. And oftentimes the 401k or the IRA will exceed the value of what's in their checking, banking account, or brokerage account. And the rule is, generally speaking, they are counted as an asset unless they are paying out in regular distributions. And this is only, by the way, the case for qualified retirement accounts. There are lots of non-qualified annuities that are paying out regularly. There are people who have just a standard investment brokerage account that might be spitting out income regularly. That these special rules only apply to qualified retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks, Roths, SEPs, and these things that fall under qualified retirement, the code of the Internal Revenue Code. So as long as it's a qualified retirement account and it is paying out in regular, usually it's required minimum distributions, the law just says regular distributions, then the value of that asset is not counted. So you can have, $500,000 sitting in an IRA account, and as long as it's paying out and required minimum distributions, $500,000 is invisible as far as Medicaid's concerned. Now the income counts again, right? So that might be more money that goes into the income trust or the pooled special needs trust, but the asset's protected.